Hi Daniel. So very quickly, I'm going to show you how to do this, and this is extremely profitable and very easy to do. So pay careful attention. You go to google.com on any of your browser, and then type in the search bar, find a job, gov.uk. You press enter. You will be led to this first link here. Click on that, open in a new tab. So go to the very first link, gov.uk link. Yeah. So here you go, and then you just click on start now. Find the job, start now. Yeah. And then all you have to do is like what kind of job you want. So basically, you can search teaching assistant, right? Um, there you go, and then you click on search. Okay, so there are 3,840 teaching assistant jobs in UK. Okay, so there you go, teaching assistant, you have a lot of jobs. You can select salary range, you can click on a posting date, so something that was posted yesterday or in 3 days, 14 days. You can go for a specific criteria right here, or you can select certain locations. So like Northwest England has 675 vacancies. London has 592. Yorkshire 410, so and so on. So you can click on this, you know, specific criteria. So disability confident, you wanna work with those guys. You wanna work with remote working guys. You wanna work with a specific location. Posting date. So which date did they post the job offer? With what salary range would you like, and then you can click on apply, and there you go. And there are other categories as well, so like education and childcare jobs. You can click on this specifically, which we already have. So what you do is so this is the teaching assistant job posted by London Teaching Pool Limited. This is also by London Teaching Pool Limited. London Teaching Pool. This is posted by Senploy. This is Senploy Southwark. Yeah, so you can see below the job title and date the name of the company like this. Okay, so this is the name of the company. What you can do is copy this. Yeah, just copy this and go to Google again. So you go to google.com again and you paste that and you press enter, and there you go. You go to the company, and yeah, so Senploy, there you go. This is Senploy. Okay, so this is the official website of Senploy. What you can do is Senploy contact. You can type that in the Google as well, and that will take you to the Senploy contact details. Sometimes you just get the contact details right here. Okay, if you don't, you open this website as well. So go to the Senploy. Sorry. Okay, we go back. We special education needs carers. You can open that. Let's say Senploy is not working. Okay, Senploy is not working. We can search another person. We can go to the second page here. Right, you click on the second one. London Teaching Classroom Support. This is in Kent. Classroom support, or maybe let's Vida Education. Let's go to the Lancashire Vida Education. You can copy this. You can paste it in the Google. Keep the contact in there and search it. Right. So this is contact us page from Vida Education. You just click on the contact us. It will take you to their website and contact information. You can email them, you can call them, you can copy paste a ready-made email that you have already, and you just approach them and let them know that you have the guys that they need, and you just saw their job post on gov.uk, and you will be happy to offer them the exactly qualified and professional guy they are looking for. You have just the thing for them, and yeah, just convert them, you know. And then you tell me that you have signed a contract with Vida Education and they need three, four teaching assistant. They are willing to sponsor them, and there we go. Bob's your uncle. Yeah. If you have any questions regarding this, let me know. You see, there are 384 pages, and many different companies and schools and employment agencies and all kinds of. You might come across some employment agencies as well, so they will be happy to offer like different kind of jobs. So this is the way to search them, this is the way to contact them. I have already, you can see I have already created this email for them. Okay, so I'm just copying and pasting this email to every email address I can find here. So copy paste to every single company, and some of them will email me back saying that yes, if you have the guy, we need them. And there you go. So keeping it short, bye bye.